Special day today, kid. We got a special unboxing with Stefano, kid, and his big brother, kid. What? Bro, what we got here, bro? We got a new heart, kid. I'm excited about hearts, son. And you know what it takes to open up a special heart? Axe, kid. Bust out the axe, brother. You pick the axe, kid. You pick anyone you want, kid. Now, we got an unboxing here. Stefano's new heart. But stay tuned because my man got another new heart, dude. And I saw it today. Holy shit. That's a nice one too, bro. Can't wait to see that one. What we got here, kid? Do your slice. You do the honors. Oh, you busted out the good steel.
I was born.
All right.
Sick. Definitely happy to see you.
Yeah, happy to see you, bro. Definitely, man.
That's a nice tool.
Yeah, it is.
Keep that one.
I like it. What we got here? Oh, we got a nice header there.
Nice header.
Now, this RCMAX engine heart is direct fit for a Primal Dragster. And it came here in one day, kid.
One day.
Oh, we got there. What the heck?
Feels like paper.
What the? I thought it was, it's a good thing I didn't unbox it because I would just put this in the pile. What the? Feel that shit.
Thing right out.
What the heck? It feels like in the paper, dude.
It's not going to throw this thing
Holy
right
shit. What the? Oh, sweet.
Wow.
Sweet, bro. Really nice.
Things are working off.
Yeah. Super Zah.
Can't believe the weight on this thing.
Dude, it's unbelievable. Really.
Holy shit.
Holy. It's crazy. It's unbelievable. She's sweet, man. Very nice. Man, you got to give this guy credit, brother. My man just started this year with this. Brapping.
This is worse than crack.
Dude.
This is worse than crack. What else we got there? Anything?
My man, you got to have something else in there. Zah.
Oh, shit.
So, just double check. With that, we know.
Yeah.
Just double check everything. There's already a couple of times,
I've
not
done
once.
that a couple times too.
All right. Especially when it has these things. Like my friend Mike, we had a few things that was stuck in that box. Now the heart, kid. We got to see this thing come to life soon, man. Here. Forget it. That axe is scaring me, bro. Yeah, put that.
Me too.
All right. Stefano, man, he just built himself a freaking drag Baja. He went up the ranks. He went from a stock. What first engine did you have?
Stock 34cc.
He had a
King motor.
stock 34cc King motor. Then he went to a Bartolone 30.5. And now he may have another heart after the 30.5 that we have to show. And now he's got a Primal Dragster. And now he's got a super heart here. RCMAX 40. What is it? A 40 what?
GT.
40 GT.
40 GT.
Primal Dragster style, bro. Primal Dragster kit. Look at that. Zeneca Fair. Look at this. Nice fucking head too, bro. Super nice. Very nice. That's how mine came. Yeah, sweet, man. Look at that thing.
It's like art, man.
Yeah.
It's like looking at art.
Yeah.
That's the Husqvarna Polestar.
Yeah, very nice Polestar. Super nice. Very nice.
What? This thing is beautiful. This is a 54, right? Obviously.
Yeah. Yeah, the same clutch I'm using.
Yeah.
I could switch. I could switch, but there's no need. I like that clutch for drag racing. It's fine. Did you see my look what I had in my Scott 50, bro? And she's still good. I don't know why people got to go crazy with clutches, bro. Look at this. This is what I had in my Scott Finley 50, people. All right, I did so much testing and tuning with this and fast passes before my race that I crashed at Brooklyn. Before that. And then even after that.
And there's still plenty of life.
Yeah, yeah, that's padding, people. That's not an FS clutch. That's nothing. See that? It worked great. Works great. Look at that. Look at that clutch right there. Now.
Let's see this.
Oh, thank you.
Beautiful.
Very nice, bro. Congrats, kid.
Thank you, bro.
Congratulations, bro.
Thank you, bro.
My man Stefano is doing great things coming up in this hobby. In the weirdest summer ever. The most braptastic summer, but crazy summer at this COVID crap. But somehow, we still keep busy and we're brapping away, bro. And big things are happening. Still. It's crazy, bro. Yeah,
We're trying to baptize this guy.
Yeah. We're trying to
I'll get there.
not baptize, braptize. Braptize, kid. Damn. Yo, super nice, kid. Super nice.
Look at the workmanship on this pole saw alone.
If I didn't have to go to work 4:30 a.m. tomorrow morning, we'd be having espressos right now upstairs. Zach coffees, though. You know what? You want a little Mavum?
Why not?
We gotta have a toast.
What you got?
Yeah, well, you and I both have new hearts. I never toasted to my heart yet, so let's toast our hearts, kid.
Let's do it.
Zach. A toast to our hearts, bro. Our new hearts.
That's right.
You see, brother? Seneca Fez. Alright, guys. Good luck to us racing. Yo, hopefully we get Paul to join in on the phone with us soon.
That's right. Cheers, salud.
So good times and good health, bro.
That's right. This shit is smooth, though. Good stuff. I think this RCMAX will run on this shit.
It could, possibly. Who knows? Alright, bro. So look at this beauty, man. Over here just talking, shooting his shit. Over here chilling. Talking some braptastic stuff. Talking about racetracks. You know, over here just chilling. Looking at beautiful artwork. You know what I'm saying? This is what it's all about. We're not here talking about batteries and shit. Nah, none of that. There's no battery talk here. What's so exciting? I don't get it, bro. Just today, man. I forget it, man. But look at this. Look at this. Sweet, bro. This is...
I think it's a brick.
Very nice.
He does beautiful work. He really does beautiful work.
Nice, yeah. No, I'm super happy. They did a really nice thing, combined joint Primal RC and RCMAX. Very nice. Very cool. Yeah, man. Hopefully there'll be more engine builders out there that can get together with Primal RC and keep moving forward, you know? So, keep moving forward. It would be nice to have more options as well, you know? Let me see what's up. Yeah, good stuff, man. All right, bro. So good luck to you, man.
Thank you, bro.
Hope to see you soon. I can't wait to hear this thing come to life.
She'll be breathing soon.
Awesome. All right.
See her at the Primal event. Sure.
Oh, nice. Can't wait. Man, yo, dude, I don't know how I'm going to do it, bro. I'm going to be more excited. I wish I could have somebody to race for me, bro. Because I want to see everybody. I want to hang out with everybody. Each person I want to hang out with. You know what? I want to see everything. Like, I want to absorb everything. From, you know, the fucking sportsman class, from the Bajas to the sportsman primals to the extreme stuff. I can't do that if I'm running all 3 classes, bro. But we'll see, yeah.
That's true.
But we'll see. Let's see what happens, man. I'll do the best I can, but yeah, man, super nice. I wish I wasn't working tomorrow, but we gotta work, bro. Because without work, We can't do none of this.
No playing without work.
We can't do none of this. So we got to work. That's it. All right, guys. £9. Oh shit.
Wow.
Is it not? Yeah, this thing won't go to fucking £9. This shit won't even count it.
Yeah, it does.
Put it here. I don't think it goes up that high, but. Oh fuck!
No, I was right. 9.2.
Yeah. Look at that.
So everything's in here?
Yep.
Sticker kit, everything?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Mavin got a little.
Hit me a little bit, man.
So since we're here still filming, check it out. We got ourselves a King Motor 2-speed system, kid. All right, stay tuned. So from what I heard, this thing sold overnight. He only had a few of them in, and they're all sold out. Stay tuned, there will be more. I believe by the end of August or in the beginning of September, they may have another big shipment in, okay? So, here's the 2-speed. And then if you want gears for this, if you want different gearing, this comes with gears already. I forget what size.
I think 17.
17, 20, 22.
Yeah.
What else?
Way shaft.
No, it comes with everything of that. Yeah, one-way bearings. Comes with all that. But gearing-wise, yeah, so 17, 20, 22. All right? So you got 3 speeds with that. There's a 2-speed transmission. And if you want the heavy-duty gears and more gear options, you go to PRIMAL. All right, so King Motor makes the 2 speeds, and then PRIMAL RC has the gear ratios, different gears. And they're hardened steel, so.
Got a couple right here.
Oh, yeah, nice. All right, so here, right here, we got some. This is it, see? Look at this, you can even hear. This is like hardened. It's got a ting to it. All right, so here's your, there's some more gear options, all right? They have a bunch of the gears. So, works well. What else? And you got that bag of goodies, all right, of extra hardware?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Oh, good shit. So this is an important bag to have for you PRIMAL DRAGSTER owners. All right, it has all the screws, hardware that you need just in case. Complete nut, washer, and screw kit. All right, I've shown this before. I don't know, I don't see part number, but email them. This is good to have. All right, bro. Good shit, man. Sa.